How to create a Discord server invite link. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create a Discord server invite link. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Discord app on your mobile or desktop. Now on the left sidebar, you will see the servers you're in. Click the server you want to create an invite link for, then click the server name at the top left corner. Now select invite people. This opens the invite settings panel. At the bottom, click edit invite link. Here you can control how long does the link stays active, maximum number of users, and temporary membership. After adjusting settings, click generate a new link. Now press the copy button. Your invite link is now ready to share anywhere in text message, email, social media, or another Discord server. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.